During a prestigious Hollywood gala, actress Jessica Biel faced an unexpected wardrobe malfunction. While elegantly posing for photographers, a sudden gust of wind caused her gown's intricate pattern to momentarily transform into a faux pas. Instead of succumbing to embarrassment, Biel showcased her poise by laughing off the incident, turning potential awkwardness into a moment of charm. Her authentic reaction resonated with fans, highlighting the human side of celebrity life. As the evening progressed, Biel's handling of the wardrobe mishap became a viral sensation, reinforcing her status as a beloved and relatable figure in the industry.